see, where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Is it this? Oh my God.
Yeah, that's perfect.
Sheesh, she's looking good. So we're just gonna rip it out here real quick. It's like 57 degrees and December, which is insane. Thank you, climate change, for that. Yeah, so we're just gonna rip it, see if we can have a little good time on Susie here with the nice weather. We just used my car to jump it. Probably not great, but we're just gonna get after it now. Alright guys, so like I said, we had to use my car to jumpstart this old pig because the battery is dying on me here. Let's get this wrapped around. But the battery seems fine now. Wow. The irony here. I was just about to ride around like this. Whoopsie. Come on. Like new. Alright. Not even sure where I really want to go right now, to be honest. That was a better wheelie. We're getting better at them. It's like getting to that balance point, which is just basically a lot higher than I'm comfortable with, to be honest. But we'll get there. It's just that and rear brake control. What is going on here? Street is closed. Oh no. Shouldn't be an issue for me. I wonder if I can get it up in second gear. No. Basically just trying to see if we can find a spot to, you know, work on these little wheelies. Yeah, throw that cigarette right at me. Love that. I just neutral bombed that. Wasn't good. Alright, car. Oh, no, no, no. Don't even think about it, buddy. I get to go next. Alright, alright, alright. Need to pull up this visor. Oh, just slamming into neutral, dude. I must be tapping the shifter and short shifting it. Basically just off-road a bit. See what's up here. Oh, nice. Got a nice little view of the city. Those homies are definitely smoking right there. Stay, stay. Oh, she's so cute and tiny. Oh, look at that. The bike. Oh, it's gonna die. Little donut. Dude, it gets so hot when I do that. Oh, just bottomed out the suspension there. Anyways, basically every day I ride this bike, I just pretend like I'm a supermoto. It's not a cop car, is it? I don't think so. Oh, not good, not good, not good. You know, one day we'll be able to wheelie. That day may not be today, or tomorrow, or even next week, but one day, I vow, I will be able to do it. Oh shit, I'm gonna follow this guy. Let's go, that's so lit. That is so lit, that is so illegal. This is Philly for you. So funny, dude. Alright, let's try another wheelie. We can catch up to him in a sec. I tried. Turn with no hands. We got it, we got it. Nice. I mean, it does have turn signals and everything. I don't know. I remember I looked into before, you know, making one of these things street legal. I don't really know. I thought it wasn't really that easy to do in PA, but I guess this guy did it, maybe? I'm not even sure. But I'm totally gonna follow him where he's going. Let's turn right. I don't think I've ever been to this cemetery. I don't see no turn on red. You know what I think these people here, their souls would want? It's a little wheelie. Not awful, not awful. Alright, get up the visor. We're getting serious here in the tunnel. I gotta get further back on the seat, I feel like. Alright, that wasn't bad. God, neutral, man. Fuck. That wasn't terrible. I just gotta get further back on the seat. Little tunnel action. Man, I can't wait to chop this exhaust off. I do plan on doing a new video soon, which involves chopping the exhaust, putting a new one on. I'm expecting to get one here pretty soon. It's basically going to be all black, a bit of a nicer style, as a, you know, compared to this trumpet one that we have on that's enormous. So it should make the bike sound a little better, a little, you know, deeper, like throatier type sound. Little tunnel whip. Yep. And yeah. Beautiful. I think I'm gonna spin around again though, just up this little area here to try some wheelies again, because I like the little incline. I think that helps a lot with learning. So I got it up. Dude, if I had a more powerful bike, it would be a lot easier. Because then once you get up there, you know, you can just twist your throttle, and I don't even know if I'm allowed in here. Gates close at 5? Dude, I can't remember the last time I came into a cemetery. But you get a spooky little thumbnail of the bike, though. Alright, let's see if she starts with the battery. Hey, she does. Kind of. Well, we can just bump start it. Beautiful. Wow. Oh, I hear a dirt bike. There you go. I knew I heard another thumper. Sarah 450, I think. I wonder if that's legal. Don't mind me, not doing anything bad. Just riding my motorcycle. It's okay. Bad. I feel like there's a little jump here I could do. Let's see. Where is it? Is it this? Oh my god. Holy shit. Oh my god, that was not good sounding at all. Alright, I definitely knocked one of the wires loose. Well, at least the brake light works. Fucking dumbass. Well, at least we have a project for a new video. Thanks for watching, everybody. Goodbye. I'm gonna go into this dark garage. Oh, no. I'm gonna go into this dark garage. Bye-bye.